Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorials of HDPS Smart. In this tutorial you will learn how to apply a coupon in sales invoice. So before creating the sales invoice, let me show you the offer that I have defined. Go to third page, offers, and I'll edit this. This is the offer that I have defined, discount on item, and these are the items. So on purchasing 2 quantities, the customer will get 10% discount, and on purchasing 4 quantities, the customer will get 20% discount. And this offer is applicable to all the customers using coupons. And the coupons that are generated for this offers are these are the coupons that are generated for this offer, and these are the coupon numbers. So we have to apply this coupon number in sales invoice. So let's go back to main screen and create a sales invoice. So we'll add the item, change the quantity to 2. So here no need to select the customer, since this offer is applicable to all the customers. I'll just apply the coupon here. To apply the coupon in sales invoice, I have to click on apply coupon to invoice in the tool strip. If you don't see this button in the tool strip, you can click on the gear button. You'll be able to see that button here, and you can select that button and click on up arrow button, so that it will add that button in the tool strip, and then click on apply button. So once that button is visible in the tool strip, click on that button. You will see add coupon to invoice window, where you need to enter the coupon number. You can either enter the coupon number or scan the coupon number. So once you enter or scan the coupon number, you'll see the coupon name and its corresponding offer name as well. And then click on OK button. Once you apply the coupon, here you will see the offer that is applied. So 10% is applied on the item total. You can see the discount amount here. So now click on Pay Now button, select the payment mode, enter the amount, and then click on Save Invoice. So in this way you can apply a coupon in a sales invoice. Thank you for watching this video.